Hello students, welcome back. Dear students, today in our multiplication and division of integer chapter, we are going to learn practice set number 9. This practice set is depend on division of integer. The previous one, the practice set is multiplication of integers. Here positive divided by positive, answer is positive. Same sign, positive, opposite side, negative. Okay. Let's start now. First question is solve. Here the first example is into bracket minus 96 divided by 16. Okay. So students, here there is one rule. When one integer is divided by the another integer, when one integer is divided by the another integer, it is customary to write the denominator of the question as a positive integer. Okay, so here we have to apply this rule in this second example. Actually, here see the denominator is negative, we have to write the denominator positive here. Now let's see how we solve here. First write the example into bracket minus 96 divided by 16. This is division form. Now we have to write in numerator and denominator form. Upside numerator, down is denominator that you know. Now minus 96 upon 16, it indicates division. Now see students, here we have to divide directly because we know in the 16th table 96 is there. So 16 6 are 96. Okay, 16 6 are 96 and 96 having minus sign. Here you are making 100%, I am sure you are making mistakes, students. So don't forget the signs. So 16 ones are 16 and 16 6 are 96. 6 minus 6 upon 1 means minus 6. Okay. Now we'll move to the next example, that is 98 divided by minus 28. See, when as I told you the rule just so always the denominator is we have to write positive. Okay. Now 98 you have to write this numerator and denominator form 98 upon minus 28. So this sign change, always write the positive, this sign goes to the numerator. So minus 98 upon 28. Now here students, here those students who are well in tables, they can solve these examples very quickly. Now see, if you learn the table, then you can solve these examples quickly. Here what we have to do, here we have to choose a number that is divisible to 98 as well as 28. We have to choose a number that is divisible to 98 as well as 28. In short, we have to choose a table that having 98 as well as 28. So 14's table, 14 7s are 98 and 14 2s are 28. Okay. So always that number should be divisible to numerator as well as denominator. Okay. In simple, in short, we have to choose a table. In that table, this numerator and denominator should be divisible. Okay. So here 14 7s are 98 and 14 2s are 28. Now here 98 having minus sign, so 14 7s are, you have to give the minus sign. Okay. So now this 14 cut to the 14 and we got only minus 7 upon 2. So our answer is minus 7 upon 2. Here the first one minus 6. Okay. Now this 14 cuts to 14. Okay. So only remain minus 7 upon 2. Now we'll move to the next example. Here student, into bracket minus 85 divided by 20. Okay. First, what is the next step? We have to write in the numerator and denominator. So minus 85 divided by 20. Again, here we have to choose a table in which 85 and 20 is there, or we have to write a number in numerator and denominator that is divisible to same number. That number should be same. That divisible to 85 as well as 20. Again, in short, we have to choose a table in which 85 should be there and 20 should be there. Okay. So in the 5 table, 5 4s are 20, and if we multiply 5 to the 17, 17 5s are 85. Okay. So 5 4s are 20, 5 17s are 85. Again, numerator having minus sign, so we have to give the minus sign. Now this 5 get cuts, and so we got minus 17 upon 2. See students, simple way, in these two examples, we have to choose a table or a number that should be same to the numerator place as well as denominator place, and that divisible to both numerator and denominator, but the number should be same. Another way, we have to choose the number, or we have to choose the table in which this numerator and denominator should be there. Okay, or that numerator or denominator divisible by the number. Okay, so now 70 minus here 5 multiplied by 17, 17 5 is 85, minus 7, minus sign is there, that's why minus 17, and 4 5s are 20. So here answer is minus 17 upon 2 is not there, here 4. Okay, minus 17 upon 4. So this is our answer. Now we'll move to the next example. Minus 5 divided by minus 315. See, simple student, just we will again revise. Minus, I told you, minus and 16 here plus sign. So minus plus, answer always minus. Here before 90, nothing means there is plus sign, positive sign. Positive divided by negative, answer always negative. Okay. Minus divided by plus, answer always minus. Minus divided by minus, same sign, plus. If here plus sign, then also our answer is plus. Now minus 5 divided by minus 315. We have to write here. Now minus signs, and so we got positive, so let's cut the signs. So here minus 5 upon 315. Now students, we have to choose a number that is divisible to this 5 also as well as 315. So here 5, okay, 5 ones are 5, and 5 multiplied by 63, it gives 315. 63 5s are 315, 1 5s are 5. So this 5 get cancelled. We got answer 1 upon 63. Okay. You try to solve the example, students, then you will got the idea. Okay. Now we will move to the second question here. In the second question, the second question is exactly opposite to this one. Okay. Now the question is, write 3 divisions of integer such that the fractional form of each will be 24 upon 5. Here fractional form means simplest form. In the previous question also we are finding the fractional form or the simplest form. Okay. You learn in 6th standard also how to make the simplest form. Divide like that. Okay. For example, just I will explain again. 24 upon 8. So we have to make the simplest form. We have to choose a number that is divisible to denominator and numerator. So we start from 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Now 12 upon 4. Again 12 upon 4 is divisible by 2. Okay. So 2 2s are 4. 2 6s are 12. Now 6 upon 2 also that is divisible by 2. So 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6. So 3 upon 1. Okay. So we got this 3 upon 1, 3. Okay. So this is called simplest form. Like this way, the first example, this first question is there. Now the second one is there. Now here, write the 3 divisions of the integer such that the fractional form of each will be 24 upon 5. Here the fractional form is given. We have to write the divisions. Okay. For the students, look here. Just ignore this portion. Now 24 upon 5. We have to write the division. So simple thing, students. Just whatever the fraction is given in this second question and third question also, we have to write that and multiply by 2 to numerator as well as denominator, to multiply same number here 2. You can multiply by 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Okay, you will get the division same. Okay, the fractional form same. Okay, now see, just ignore this portion. 24 2s are 48 and 5 2s are 10. Okay, so here see, 24 2s are 48 and 5 2s are 10. So this is our actually answer. And here I give the minus sign. You can cut that minus sign. Answer you will get 48 upon 10. Okay, but for your information, I write here minus sign. Okay, so we got the answer division form, that is minus 48 divided by minus 10. Okay, so like this way you have to solve more 2 examples. See, you can now multiply here 24 multiply by 3 and 5 multiply by 3. 24 3s are 72 and 5 3s are 15. So you have to write like this answer. This you can do roughly or fairly also, no problem. You can directly write the second one, that is 72 upon 15. Third, 24 multiply by 6, 5 multiply by 6. Same way you have to write. Okay, you can, but take care, always you have to multiply numerator and denominator by same number. This you have to keep in mind. Okay, like this way you have to solve this example. Only 3 they said. You have to write the 3 division form here. Okay, now same example is there. Third one. Now in the third example, write 3 divisions of integers such that the fractional form of each will be minus 5. Here the difference is minus sign they gave here. Okay, so look here, same as I told you, multiply by 2, multiply by 2. Okay, now here minus 5 multiply by 2, 7 multiply by 2. 5 2s are 10, give the minus sign, and then 7 2s are 14. Then we got the division here, minus 10 upon 14, and you have to write the division form into bracket minus 10 divided by 14. Okay, don't forget the minus sign here. The next one, again here, if we multiply by this one, see, 5 multiply by 5, 7 multiply by 5. 5 5s are 25, minus sign, so we got the answer 25 upon 35. So you can write the 25 divided by 30 minus 35. But here purposely I write here minus. See students, our rule says us denominator is always positive. For this rule, for the awareness of that rule, for keep the rules in mind, that's why purposely I write this example. 25 upon minus 35, and then we know the denominator is always positive according to the rule, so that minus sign goes to the numerator. So we got the division form here, 25 divided by minus 35. And one more, you have to solve the examples like minus 5 multiply by 3, 7 multiply by 3. Okay, and you will get the third one. So this way you have to solve these 2 examples. Now here my drawing is not good like you, so I not draw that picture of the fish. Okay, So now let's do the curry, fish curry. See here, the fish in the pond below, curry, no, carry some numbers. Okay, in that picture, if you see in the textbook, there are fishes are inside the fish. There are some numbers are there. This is a like puzzle for you. See, choose any 4 pairs. From that, you have to choose any 4 pairs of the numbers and carry out 4 multiplication with the numbers. Well, you have to carry out 4 multiplication examples. Now choose 4 other pairs and carry out division with these numbers. So from that numbers of the fish that given, you have to choose 4 pairs, okay, and build up 4 examples from multiplication and build up 4 division examples, and you have to solve that. Okay, just one for your information. There is minus 18 and 9. So I choose minus 18 multiply by 9. We know minus plus, answer is always minus. 18 9 0 162. Minus plus minus, so I gave the here minus sign. Okay, this is first one. They said like this, you have to solve more examples, 4 examples. So you have to choose the numbers, the pairs of the numbers, write the examples and solve the examples. This is multiplication. Now division. So this is the first example of division. I choose minus 27 divided by 9. Here 9 is directly divided to 27. So 9 3s are 27, and this having minus sign, so our answer also minus, so minus 3. Like this way you have to choose the pairs of the number and write the examples of division, 4 examples, and solve it. Okay students, I hope you understood this practice set. If you have any doubt, then comment me or message me. Okay student, till there, take care, bye bye.